Our voices are unique and can be such a strong part of who we are. When faced with the prospect of losing your voice due to an illness or medical condition, it can feel as if you are losing part of your identity, part of what makes you unique. If you are at risk of losing your voice, the VoiceKeeper can help you preserve it for later use with a communication system. It's advised to have a recording of your voice as early as possible before it degrades, which is why voice creation is free. VoiceKeeper keeps the voice data until you need to use it with a communication device, preserving your voice for the day that you will need it. Once the voice is needed, the VoiceKeeper supports a wide range of communication platforms and is free to use across all of Liberator's AAC devices and apps. Preserve your voice now while it is still strong. Your voice is your identity. The VoiceKeeper helps you save it. For more information, visit thevoicekeeper.com or speak to your Liberator consultant for more details.